Hello, welcome to another free code session. My name is Jason Bach, and we are one test away from not closing this out because I got to look back and see what did I all add and then think about where I'm missing potentially some tests just to isolate some things. But the thing that is failing right now, the one test that is failing, and this is, if I can get this test to pass, then I can finally finish my article that I've been working on. Unfortunately, this test is the one that generates a lot of code. And so the problem with this one, is it's going to be a doozy. There's so many problems with this. Okay. So if I come here, so I go to diagnostics, it's that many. Okay. So can I actually I can. You won't even let me copy them. You really, Microsoft, oh, and now I hung you? Are you kidding me? So I can copy one, but if I pick two, oh, you'll do that. Okay, wait a minute. What, is there like a limit on here that I can copy? Oh, I can't copy all of them. Okay, maybe you were just being stupid. Okay, let's come in here and say that goes away. That would be annoying to deal with. Okay, stop. Now if I come over here, I should have, well, I'm going to have all the code. Okay, so let's just start dealing. So internal resources, and you said line 115. Public override, culture info, global resource context, best fit culture. That's interesting. So here and here and here, it doesn't think it's a nullable type. Here it does. Which one's right? So we're going to keep a running tally of how many errors? How many errors? 855. Okay. Notice this equals object does come in and string does come back with a question mark. So I was right on that. Okay. I don't even know where this would come from. No. No. Okay. Maybe not pick something that's too off the beaten path. Okay, so system, rock and valid time zone exception. What was it called? System. Invalid TimeZoneException, there you are. Share recording. And I am. Good. Okay, so where did you think the problem was? 119. It's the same thing. It thinks it's a... Okay, so... No, don't insert. There's a Stacktrace on exception. Okay. Well, we don't want to go to source Roslyn IO. Where in the heck? Yes, that's what I want. Class exception. I don't know. Where's Stacktrace? Stacktrace. It is a, okay. Now this is a property. I don't know if I'm actually handling properties correctly. So it's possible that sure, I don't know why. No, don't just start throwing crap in there. Please. Value type, return value. Don't think I'd have to care about those. What's the difference? What is honestly the difference between these two? Get property get with reference type, return value, and no indexers. So this could have indexers? Sure. Okay. Just, yeah. What does this actually do? So this is actually, well, no indexers. Okay. So we know this needs to be a string. So the func a string, the delegate cast is correct. So here need, no, I already copied that. The return type to handle nullability. Okay. That's that. Now, yeah, because then that goes in here too. Okay, so then who's calling this? Let's get rid of this out of the way. var return type nullable reference is equal to get method return parameter is nullable. And then we need to do that, nope, that, RTNR, that. Okay. It's not going to get rid of all of them. Well, let's see where we're at now. Down to 581, so that's better-ish. Yeah. Where do I actually say? Got the same thing here. What's being... So it's the first thing that's being passed in. Because you can't just say it's a... Yeah, you can't. I need the... Okay, well, hold on. We're getting ahead of ourselves. Probably have to come back to that, but... Okay. It's less. Gotta be faster than this, Visual Studio. It's just, this isn't cutting it. Holy cow. Come on. Wow. That's bad. The whole thing is just freaking locked now. Are you kidding me? Sure, I want to reload it. Too bad Visual Studio just took a big dump because it can't copy 500 things in a list. That's horrible. That's absolutely horrible. Way to go. 2019 preview. Find all those tests. Come on. Find all of them, you Test Explorer, you. Oh, come on. Oh no! Why did 5 fail? Well, probably because the template. Oh, that's cute. That's just freaking wonderful. This is just not ever. God. As soon as I break one thing, I just break 20 other. How? What is the type? How do you have a full name equal to... No, that doesn't make any sense. I didn't even touch this code. It says preview, right? Yeah, I'm in preview. Why am I in preview? I don't even know why I am in preview. Now that I think about it, that makes no freaking sense why I'm in preview. Because you can use .NET Core 3 in the regular 2019. But why did this suddenly start? What the heck? How? You know, how does it even get to that point? Out of freaking nowhere, this just suddenly... This was working. What did I change? Please do not tell me you think that's a lit... Oh my God. Oh my freaking God. Okay. Great. Back. To where I want to copy 500 values from a list. I really need to go to bed after this one. Just do another episode tomorrow with a clearer head. Not compilation diagnostics. Copy. Okay, back here, sure. And come on, let's go to the top. There you go. Okay, now we're down to, what was it? 581. Let's take a look at what we got here. We're going to ignore you rock and valid time zone exception. We're going to go to system reflection, target exception. System what? No, reflection, target exception. And 120. Right. Nullability of reference types and type doesn't match overridden member. They need to say what overridden member because it's dear God, really. Yeah, I'm thinking if I say public class. Bleh. But it's not. The only thing I can think of is that the assemblies that I'm loading are newer than the ones that Visual Studio is somehow seeing. And so it doesn't think, well, I don't need to see that. That's just perfectly fine. But no, they actually are. They're question marks. Yeah, they're question marks. Really question mark. So actually, if I do something like public class AAA, and that has a public virtual string foo that has a getter. Okay, and now I have a public class BBB AAA, and let's override foo. Yeah, it doesn't know. So this has to be this. It has to be that. And then it goes away. Okay, so point is I actually have to figure out how to get the return type to be, and I can't just assume the getter because I could say this is a setter, right? Auto implemented property must anyway. Fine. Set. There. Now let's do override foo. But I have to say that. Okay. So I have to somehow figure out here handle public property. Yeah, you're what is that? Another return. No, this is I'm getting confused here. That's that. Okay. No. Yeah, well, okay. No. Who calls GetProperty? Yeah, his doesn't handle public property. Yeah. It's just... Let's just try to crank this one out. This one more. It's one little more. So what I need to say here is the actual type. Now if I var property type is nullable reference. If the base property I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know why I'm doing anything. I don't even know how this works. I have no clue what I'm doing. Because GetProperty, that just is the get set. Oh, that's a list. This isn't passing it in, but oh god, that's so bad. All right, whatever. Okay. Yeah, it's a property inf. How? Oh, God. Okay, yeah, I'm. Okay. I felt so dirty just doing that. But it had to be done. Okay, let's run all the tests. Because if you have a setter, it can't tell if this was an else. Yeah, it. Oh God, why? Oh, wait a minute. But it's okay here? Why? Why would you think it's... But it's like you're convinced it's okay there. Oh, for God's sakes. Because you're just driving me nuts. You're going to be that. Else, like me now? Huh? I like me now. Like me now? That's some ugly code. Oh, no. So just get one failing. Still just get one failing. Okay. Where are we at right now? Okay. No. Look. Ooh. Okay. We're going to stop. Do one more. And we're going to see if we can get this to 0. So thank you all for watching. Leave comments and questions below. See you in the next episode.